If you understand this text, your English level is C1. At 32, with a family and a demanding job, I made a difficult, but important decision, to start learning English again from scratch. I'm no longer satisfied with my current job. I want to find a better opportunity, with a higher income, so I can give my family a better life. I believe English is the key to opening doors to international companies and global opportunities. I've always known that English is valuable. It doesn't just help us get better jobs. It also broadens our worldview. It allows us to travel, connect with people from different cultures, and understand the world more deeply. Unfortunately, in the past, I often made excuses. I wasted time socializing, hanging out in cafes, and watching videos online instead of studying. Now I'm paying the price. Many of my friends are doing well because they speak English fluently, while I've fallen behind. Sometimes I wish I could go back and do things differently. But I've come to realize that it's never too late to start over. These days, I study English every single day, at least 2 hours. I focus on learning new vocabulary, watching English videos, and practicing my speaking. I'm committed to this journey, step by step, no matter how long it takes. I truly believe that if I stay consistent, I will one day speak English fluently and confidently hold conversations with foreigners. If you're on the same journey, share your story in the comments. Let's motivate and support each other.